Hello guys! Vzor-1 Red Dot unboxing and review. Vzor-1 Red Dot is designed and manufactured by Zenitco on our factory in Noginsk. That's a Russian town which is located near Moscow. It successfully passed all the required tests and we are finally ready to release it on the market. So it is already available. Today I will tell you about its basic characteristics, show you what's inside this box, what's in the kit, about its controls, aiming marks and modes. My name is Anastasia. From time to time I will pass a word to Dmitry as a weapon expert, so the theory will be connected to real practice. Here is the box. I can't wait to open it. To open it easily, see, there is a lever on the top. You need to pull it, and to make the process easier, press here with another hand. Done? Very easy. Let's see what's inside. I will first take out everything from the box and then tell you in details about each part. Detailed manual. It is in two languages, Russian and English, so no excuses of not reading it. Short manual, also in two languages. You will definitely read it before you start the operation. Vzor-1 Red Dot. Looks really nice. Battery 3A. In Russia we call them little finger battery. Lens protection covers. Lens hood. And various installation platforms and spaces. We designed many platforms for Vzor-1 Red Dot, for different heights, for Picatinny rail, for basis rail, with quick release, without quick release, even for 45 degrees angle. I will make a separate video about various platforms. Now I will show you those that are in the kit. There are also several platforms that are not included into the kit. And first of platforms from the kit is PB1. It is a quick release platform for Picatinny rail. There are 4 screws for installation of platform on the red dot. Next, low platform without quick release, also for Picatinny rail. PN1 also has 4 screws. Platform for 45 degrees angle, PVB45U. It is designed for installation on basis rail with 2 oval mounts, but it can be also installed on Picatinny rail if you use Picatinny basis adapter. It is sold separately. Finally, spacers. They can be installed on platforms to increase height. PV39 and PV30. Both of them have screws. And there is also a hex key. What are the features of Vzor-1 Red Dot? Vzor-1 red dot. What are its features? First of all, the aiming mark of a dot and a circle, in which you can adjust the brightness of the dot separately and the brightness of the circle separately. Operation is intuitive, comfortable enough to handle with a weak hand, buttons for brightness on and off, as well as mode selection button. The mode can be either a dot, a circle, or a dot with a circle. And now I propose to shoot. Three possible aiming marks: dot, circle, and circle plus dot. The size of the dot is 1 more. 1 more is about 29 millimeters at a distance of 100 meters. The size of the circle is 34 more. We chose that size because it is especially comfortable for target capturing at different distances when moving the aiming point. Cost of one click is 1 more. Very intuitive operation, 3 control buttons on the body, plus minus for brightness control, and R button, this is Russian R, which stands for regime, which means mode. By mode we mean dot, circle, and circle plus dot. So by this button we select the aiming mark. To turn the device on, you press one of 3 buttons, either plus or minus or R button. To switch it off, you press plus and minus simultaneously and hold them. You can control brightness of the circle and the dot separately from each other. To quickly switch to maximum brightness sunny day mode, you press plus and R simultaneously. For minimum brightness, you press minus and R simultaneously, night mode. Now let's look closer and weight the device. The weight of Vzor-1 red dot without platforms and without a battery inside is 103 grams. By the way, about batteries. Here is battery compartment. I will screw out the cap and install a battery according to polarity on the body. We use 3A battery, 1.5 volts. Also 3A rechargeable battery with 1.2 volts is acceptable. Here are zeroing units: vertical zeroing unit, horizontal zeroing unit. 1 click equals 1 more. You can use the cap of the zeroing unit for zeroing. Now I'm showing horizontal zeroing unit. Rotation of it counterclockwise moves the aiming mark to the left, clockwise to the right. And if we speak about vertical zeroing unit, rotation counterclockwise moves the aiming mark up, clockwise down. And now Dmitry will show you one of the ways to zero the red dot by a laser. There is a very good and fast way to zero this red dot. My rifle is equipped with Klech 2PS Plus laser flashlight. The laser was zeroed by iron sight at a distance of 50 meters. So I need to turn on the laser, point it at the target at a distance of 50 meters and zero the mark of the red dot, align it with the laser spot. I will do that now. The zeroing unit's covers are slotted. Making adjustments is quick and easy, even in gloves. Fine. It remains only to check. The zeroing was carried out with one shot. time of continuous work on one battery in dot mode with middle brightness is 1 year. Time of continuous work in the most energy-intensive mode, dot plus circle in maximum brightness, is 60 hours. We suppose that it is not correct towards the user to name the characteristics only with low energy-intensive modes. We name all possible variants. There are more energy-intensive modes, there are less energy-intensive modes. Also, we recommend to exchange the battery at least once a year. That's not about the red dot, that's about batteries and their rules of storage. Now let's install lens covers. They can be installed either directly on lens or on the lens hood. Lens hood is designed for anti-flare, also for work during very bright sun conditions. It has honeycombs structure, like this. Also, can open it. The only thing that was not installed on this red dot yet is the platform, so let's do it right now. Platforms are installed by 4 screws. We'll take off the lens hood right now and install a platform. The height of a platform can be increased by spacers, like this. Also, there are some platforms with already increased height. I will make a separate video about platforms. We'll explain their heights, their differences, their features. That's a really big topic, requires a separate video. Also, if you have some questions, write them in comment section. That is the first video in the cycle of videos about the red dot, because the topic is really big. I will cover the questions that are interesting to you in next videos. Make sure that you tighten the screws well and it's ready to be installed on the rifle. We'll install Vzor-1 red dot on Picatinny rail. First thing to do, pull the lever cap, open the lever, install the red dot on Picatinny rail, close the lever, return the cap in original condition. Next, if there is wobble, press the pin, the stopping pin on the screw, and tighten this screw. After that, the stopping pin should enter the groove on the screw. After that, you may start shooting. I've received a lot of questions from users about reliability matters. One of the questions was, does it hold shooting from 12th caliber? Let's ask Dmitry. This shotgun is Fabarm PSS-10, perfect for both sport and hunting, and this red dot fits perfectly on the lever rail. Moreover, iron sights are also visible through it. Also, I want to know the circle aiming mark, which allows you to catch targets much faster. But you can talk a lot, I propose to shoot. Well, under fire. So the answer is yes, Vzor-1 red dot holds shooting from 12th caliber. We decided to make the test more difficult. What about under-barrel grenade launcher? We made such a test. We will post a video of it on this channel soon, so follow the channel and press the bell button to get notifications from us. Another test that we made, underwater test. It holds being put under the water at depths up to 10 meters. What happens after 10 meters? Water does not get inside. The question is that the pressure of water is so high that buttons on the body may be pressed. So it is water resistant. But let's speak about more realistic situations that happen more frequently. I do not go underwater with a rifle at depths of 10 meters every day, but I may drop it into snow. What will happen? Quite a common situation is when a red dot fails due to banal snow sticking. The lenses of Vzor are arranged in such a way that the snow is easily removed with simple hand movements. As you can see, everything is simple. So nothing will happen after dropping it into snow. We decided to make this test more difficult. And what will happen if you freeze it into a block of ice? We made such a test, and such a video will be also posted on this channel very, very soon. So Vzor-1 red dot is ready and ready to be released. We are very proud of it, and we hope that you will enjoy this red dot. It can be ordered on our website en.zenitco.ru. If you like the video, press the like button, ask your questions in comment section and follow our channel. See you soon. Goodbye.